Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to restart your Duolingo course and reset your progress. Let's begin. First, open the Duolingo app and go to your profile by tapping on the head icon at the bottom right of your screen. Next, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner to open your settings. Now, scroll down and tap on the option called Courses under the Account section. This will take you to a page where you can see all of your current courses. For example, I have these three courses: Japanese, music, and English. I want to reset my music course. To do that, find the red Remove button next to the course you want to reset. Tap on it, and Duolingo will show a confirmation message saying that deleting a course will remove all your progress, which is exactly what we want. Go ahead and tap Remove. You'll see that the course disappears from your list. Now comes the final step to restart the course. Go back to the Home section and tap the flag icon in the top left corner. Next, tap the plus icon, which will take you to a page where you can select a new course. Find the course you just deleted and select it again. That course will now start from zero, fresh, and brand new, and you're ready to begin again. Thanks for watching.